Why make things harder than they need to be? Why spoil what could be a perfectly good memory? When it's over you can just let it go. 'Cause there's good and bad, never loving, that's something I know. Why make things harder than they need to be? We can't control another's destiny. Mendings help us learn how to grow. When we show someone we love them by how we let them go. Life's made of moments in time, like stars in the night sky. Takes the dark spaces between before the brightest light is seen. So I make things harder than they need to be. Why spoil what could be a perfectly good memory? When it's over you can't just let it go. Move on with your life and take along all that you know. Why make things harder than they need to be? Though no one gets through this life pain-free, you don't have to make misery your friend. Or you miss the good things that matter in the end. Life's made of moments in time, like stars in the night sky. Takes the dark spaces between before the brightest light is seen. So I make things harder than they need to be. Why spoil what could be a perfectly good memory? When it's over you can't just let it go. 'Cause there's good and bad